So we have a new product in the portfolio, the VX1, big tech, small scale. It's the perfect entry into the vapor smoothing, and it just fits perfectly into our print-to-product workflow because it extends our vapor smoothing offering into the entry-level segment. And with the Powerfuse S, we already cover the high industrial applications, and now with the VX1, we have a solution for customers starting into the vapor smoothing at a much smaller scale. So the VX1 is the perfect solution for anyone who is getting started with vapor smoothing. So smaller service bureaus, R&D teams, but also companies just working with lower volumes. And you get the same high quality surface finish at a lower footprint and lower cost. And here we have the Powerfuse S, our flagship product when it comes to vapor smoothing. Compared to the VX1, we have a much larger chamber, and especially with the autoloading, this machine is made for 24/7 production. And this year at Formnext, we also showcase a new basket with 20% larger volume, so you can get more parts in, but also larger parts. So now we have a really complete portfolio. Whether you want to start with vapor smoothing with the VX1 or you want to go for real industrial production, we have both solutions available.